Creating our book. We had the choice of two books. The biggest one which we chose is red and looked much more suitable for our trailer, as the red connotes danger, and typically in films which contain books like this, they are large, so we felt that this is the best option. Although the other two books are good because the pages inside are perfectly coloured and would in fact fit in rather well for our requirements that we were looking for, but we felt that opting for a bigger book would be much better. Therefore, in order to create the perfect and important pages for our book, we needed to stain particular pages. We took tea bags and put them into hot water to allow us to stain the pages. For the first trial, we covered the paper with one layer of tea stains and left it to dry. The advantage of this was that it took less time to let the paper dry, so it was more convenient. However, the disadvantage is that it wasn't dark enough and needed much more staining in order to look much more old and tattered. For the second trial, we applied 2 coats of the tea bag stains and found that this was much better and suited what we were looking for. Although the only disadvantage is that it does take longer to dry, so we would have to wait a while till it's completely dry to apply a second coat, but we felt as if it was better to do it this way. After that, we printed out various types of witch spells from the internet to put into our book. Here is a before and after shot of how the pages turned out. As you can see, it looks much better and will fit in very well with our book, as the pages are all the same colour. Finally, we had to create our old note. The process was quite simple. We simply took a lighter and a plastic tray for safety purposes and carefully took the fire to burn the edges of the paper to create the tattered effect. Once we stuck down the different pieces of paper and stained some of the pages, this was the result.